So the boys have just arrived, getting things out the van, getting it all ready for tomorrow. And they're going to start the job, so that'll be good fun. Plywood, plywood, plywood. Sorry, what's going to happen with the stuff inside?
If you take it out and put it on the lawn, cover it, and then smash it up and put it in the sky.
Okay. Yeah.
This is the correct plan, yeah?
Correct. Yeah. Right, well, let's double check. All right, so the boys have just been getting ready for tomorrow morning. What they've done, first of all, follow me, Rocky, is we've given them a storage cupboard for some of their stuff. We've got all the plywood ready for the protection for all of the garden at the front of the driveway, making sure that all the skips that come down, all the bricks, etc. If you come and have a look in here, Rocky, they've put some of their stuff in here for the first bit. So this is the area that I told you is going to be knocked down. So we've got all the drills, they've got their spades, etc. And then, Rocky, if you go out, that's it, mate. What you can see here, Rocky, if you come here, this is where they're going to be coming to. So if you turn around and you see the edge there, it's going to come all the way down, 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 out to here. And then we're going to go all the way along here. So stay there, Rocks. I'll run over here. It's going to come all the way to here. Now if you come this way, see the blue line? That's going to be the edge of the foundation. This is going to be the outdoor wall. Just here. This is going to be the outdoor wall. Rocky, this way again, mate. Just done a bit of a dig up down here. Just checking what the soil's like. But if you should, Rocky, if you look at this, this is what's had all this beautiful, look at me, beautiful foliage, beautiful foliage. It wasn't really, we weren't bothered about keeping it, but they're starting tomorrow. Plywood's in, foundations aligned, and they said they're going to smash down the conservatory, which is joy to my ears. See you tomorrow.